Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to on your iPad. This applies to any iPad, including the A16, the Airs, the Pros, and of course anything else between. Now of course I'll be showing you how to on the Notes app, how to insert a picture. So of course if you have a photo that you'd like to insert into your iPad document, I'll show you how to do it. All right, so first of all, go ahead and launch Notes. Now of course you'll need to have an existing note or create a new note. To create a new note, click on this icon right here that's shown as a pencil and paper. Just go ahead and click. If not guys, go ahead and open an existing document. I have a blank document here. It will be the same thing as clicking on the option I showed. Now you'll be in your main document as seen here. Now the key to inserting an image is to look out for this icon right here, and of course it's of a paper clip. Go ahead and tap on the paper clip icon. You'll see several options. You can attach files, audio, choose a photo or video. You can take one afresh just to place in right away. You can scan a document or scan text. Now of course we're going to say choose a photo or video, which will take you to your gallery. Now of course it will bring up your gallery, and as you can see here, this is the gallery. And what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to choose any of the photos that we have here. Now I have a photo of a smartphone. I have some other stuff here, so I'm going to choose this one here, which is of a chessboard. And of course we're going to go ahead, and once you select, you're going to go ahead and tap the check mark. Once you tap the check mark, which is the check mark there, it's going to actually place the photo in. Now here you have the photo that's now a part of the document. All right, so you have now officially inserted it into the document. All right, so once it's inserted, you can tap on it to view. You can close the preview window out. And of course, to type, simply find a space, and remember that the size of the image is gonna depend on its insertion. So you're gonna go ahead and tap like beneath it, then you can continue to type, or of course write, or whatever you are doing. All right, so when you're finished, you can always go ahead and close out. So that's how you insert an image into the Notes app on the iPad. See you in the next one guys, bye.